Good corner, fine still. Great job.
I'm sure there's not, but we're trying to see if we can pick that up and get at least a little experience drafting, if not a win, because we're pretty much out of the whole wind column deal now. Good move going outside, you're even with him. Even with him, he's coming down tight on you. You're even with him about a half between you, but at the same time, it does give benefits to the guys who do know how to make good setups.
1, 6, 4.
Alright, what's up everybody? Finally back in here on Iracing once again today. It's been 2.5 weeks since OBS decided to take a dump on me. That's why I haven't been getting any recordings out. I completely uninstalled it, reinstalled it 2 or 3 times. It wasn't working. Come to find out, it was an update for Windows that I had not gotten, and I got that all taken care of, and OBS is working again. So, with that being said, it's Martinsville week. We're at Martinsville in the trucks today, and we're going to see how this goes. I imagine it will be pretty rough. I haven't even looked at how many laps it is yet. I'm 13th out of 15 in the split. It's 70 laps, so that's well within a tank of fuel. Won't have to worry about pitting or anything, but it may get a little interesting with how everybody's racing together, and we'll just have to see how that goes. Sitting right now in P5 qualifying wise, looks like that guy is really fast. This is the first that I've run here this week. I ran a little bit of practice a little bit earlier today, so we will just have to see how it all goes. And I hope you guys have been okay. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that. I am by no means an expert at Martinsville. I am never called myself an expert at Martinsville. We'll just have to see how it goes today, and hopefully it'll all turn out okay. But anyway, I went home for a week and all kinds of stuff throughout there, and been busy with school, so that's also been part of the reason the videos haven't been coming out very fast. There'll be a new opinion video hopefully coming out this week, and hopefully a couple more racing videos set up sporadically. If I get the chance to make multiple videos anymore, I jump on it and try and get videos made and spaced out for a couple of days. So we'll see how that goes. But it's Martinsville. I'm a little bit nervous. I love the race in real life, in real NASCAR. I love the track on iRacing. The setup sucks. It is hellaciously tight in my opinion, so we will see how that turns out over 70 laps. About the longest I've been able to run is probably 10 to 15 before getting taken out by somebody, so we'll just have to see how it goes today at Martinsville. Alright, just got the one to green, guys. I am hoping that everybody kind of minds their P's and Q's here early. 15 people isn't that big of a split, so I'm hoping we can, if nothing else, find a way to, I don't want to go to the back per se, but let everybody kind of get single file and just kind of stay calm for everybody. I don't know how well that'll work, but we'll see. Starting P5, we'll see how this goes.
Onto the restart box. Now 10 from the mark, creep a little bit. Green. door. Trying to pull you back, bumper, bumper. All clear, no run. Door. Clear by one, clear by one. Outside door, still there, clear, good corner. 24.838. Caution's out, caution's out, caution's out.
Alright guys, just got the one to go. I really don't know what the deal is with this one truck. He kind of just being weird. Anyway, we will be starting from P5, so inside of row 3. We will have to see and hopefully get a good start here and get clear of the guys next to me so I can be able to use the racetrack, not end up getting freight trained for whatever reason. So, here goes nothing.
No pressure directly in your mirror, no pressure directly in your mirror at all. 36.185. Here you go. Move if you got to outside, easy, and you'll get them off the corner. All clear, all clear. There you go. Outside and clear. Great job. Door still there. Bumper clear low, clear low, clear low. Caution's out. Caution's out there.
Alright guys, just got the one to go. We'll be starting P4, so outside of row 2 this time, instead of on the inside. Gonna have to try and get a good start so we can get down in line and not get freight trained, but realistically, we've turned 13 laps, and I think about 3 of them have been green flags, so we just have to mind our P's and Q's and try not to get wrecked into the first corner and see how it goes.
Good. Nice job, P4 right there. Go get him. 37.098. Door. Clear low. Door, bumper. Still there, still there. Clear low. 22.085.
With this one truck just stops in the middle of the corner.
21.14.
He's going to run me down to the bottom of the racetrack. That's nice.
.161. By himself there. Good job. Bumper. Out on your real tight there. You're still there though. You're clear, you're clear. Take care. By himself. Door. No runs in your mirror. 20.964. Door on your tight. Nice job, P4 right there. Go get him.
Got a little loose under braking that time. Gonna have to keep that in mind.
7.2.
Just about ran into the back of the one. Made sure that didn't happen. Guy behind me did a good job of checking up, so I appreciate that.
.872. .976. I think he's going to go to the bottom up here. We'll see. Door. Bumper clear. Clear by half. 21.146. .938. .917. Caution's out, caution's out. Alright, we'll be coming back to the green.
All right, guys, just got the one to green, sitting P1. We'll be in control of the restart. We can go whenever we want to once the pace car pulls off. That'll be kind of nice. I'll be able to hopefully get a good jump on these guys and not have to deal with them through turns 1 and 2. Now, granted, they may catch me, and that's kind of what I'm expecting, that they'll catch me. I think I was the only one that stayed out. That's fine by me. I'm not concerned about that. I just really not wanting to get caught up in anything. Just like that, all by ourselves.
Come on, keep running. There you go. Driving away. 35.873.
I know the 5 truck is faster than me, so I'm not going to push the issue too hard right now. It's just not worth it. But got to lead a lap there, and that's kind of nice. And had the control of that restart. That's what I wanted. So we'll just kind of fight back a little bit here on the outside. Won't do anything crazy, but just try and stay with these guys. They're all on newer tires than I am.
Still there. 21.474. Coming up to you. You're pulling him. All clear. Door, bumper. Still one inside. Door. All clear. 21.485.
Tag the wall just a little bit on the exit of the corner there. Nothing too big.
Caution's out, caution is out.
It's going to be interesting on this restart. We're coming back to the one to green here, but it's going to be interesting because I'm still on the original set of tires. Everybody around me has gotten tires, so seeing where and how well I can hang on the top side of the racetrack on old tires will be kind of interesting. Hopefully I don't get run over going into turn 1. That's a lot of times where the wrecks happen here, is everybody gets too excited on restarts and overdrives 1 and ends up wrecking the guy on the top side. I'm hoping that doesn't happen. I'm not worried about the 5. I'm worried about the 1. We'll see how this goes.
Get ready. All right, don't pass the 1. Come on. Stop back in the box. 35.984.
Got a pretty good start there. I was staying with him pretty well. Just can't hold the top side like he can get off the bottom.
The one inside there. One inside. 21.766. He's coming up to you. You're pulling him. Bumper clear low, clear low, clear low. 20.991. .905. .945. Caution's gonna be out. Caution is out.
As we've got one to go here, and I'm honestly thinking there's only 3 or 4 of us on the lead lap, and that would be awesome because that means if anything happens, you don't lose too many positions. But we'll see how this goes here. Hopefully the heat cycles on the tires aren't coming back to bite me.
Come on, keep running. There you go. All right, man. 4,200. 37.245.
One overdrove the corner.
Clear,
Just like that,
clear,
P2
clear.
all by ourselves.
.541. 20 to go at the line. .341.
We just got wrecked by the one. Good thing I'm better to hold on to it. Wow. He just, I don't know if he wanted to do that on purpose or was just trying to get me to move or what. I don't know. But he straight up turned me. But two at the line. 21.544. coming to the white flag.
White flag this time right here, white flag. 21.495. I think he's going to go to the bottom up here. We'll see. Go high. Keep coming high.
We're going to bring it home P2. 70 laps at Martinsville, just like that.
Door.
That was kind of an ugly race. A lot of cautions, typical Martinsville on iRacing. But brought it home P2 from 13th in the split. That's a pretty solid finish for us. So I'm going to go back and look at that where he, where I got run over real fast, see if I can find it. I think it was somewhere around lap 50 or so. Let's see here. Okay, so there's where he got loose behind me. So it was after that. Let's see here. Truck is still pretty clean. I don't know that I really hit anything all day long. I think I only ended up with 0x still. Yep. Carried 0x. So there I get loose, getting in the corner on the brakes, and that brings him back closer to me. So somewhere in here, he drives right underneath me and just freaking wrecked us. I think it might be the next corner, actually. So we'll go ahead and watch this full lap. If I can't find it here, I'll just go ahead and end the video. But you guys saw it in real time. Anyway, thanks for watching the video, guys. Was able to carry a second place finish out of here today. I didn't know how well it was going to go, but second place is pretty good, and I'll take it. Oh, there it is. Right there is where he wrecked us. All right, so I think he may have just got in there a little hot. It happens. But thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and come back for the next ones. Thanks, guys.